Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you some amazing tools of PicsArt, and I know some of you maybe know about it or some of you don't. And if you're a beginner, then this video is for you. Keep watching till end. Stay tuned. So this is an interface of PicsArt, and we will get a background image. Here I have downloaded a black background from Unsplash. And now I'm gonna cut out this image. In crop, we have two things. First, in shape, where we can see different sort of shapes. In which would you like to crop the image, but we don't need a shape, so we will go for a free crop. And now we can see multiple varieties like person, face, clothes, sky, head, hair, background. So we have a lasso, razor, brush and selection, but I need a person, so I would go for this one. And if you think it's not precise, then you can use a brush tool, adjustments, and okay, now we will see the selection. Okay, a bit is left here, but no worries, we will remove it from here by using our eraser tool like this. So I'm gonna talk about the remover tool. Here it is. If we need to remove any sort of point, like let's suppose if I want to remove this area, it will take some time, but it will remove it. See, these are few tools, few features which I really love it most. They provide stickers, all type of stickers, and all sort of images free from stocks. You can find Unsplash images directly from this PicsArt. They have incredible variety of stickers, means cutout. You just need to put the right name and you will get uncountable. Without wasting your time, you can use them. Some are free, some are available in just premium version. This is how you're gonna take any image. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.